Essentially, that wrapped up Cardi B's time on the stand. I felt like the plaintiff's attorney struggled to get his points across. Let me quickly bring in our guest to discuss criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor David Bruno. David Bruno, throughout his questioning of Cardi B, it just seemed to me that he was struggling. Did you get that sense as well?
I did. Struggling through. I mean, I have to wonder, too, why are you calling her, right? You have the burden of proof, and that's one thing. But, I mean, inevitably, she's going to testify in the defense, and that's the cross. And we talk about this all the time between open and cross. Although she was found to be hostile, I get it. But, get into a rhythm. If your cross-examination has to be having that witness yes, 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 forget about the open-ended questions, know what you need to get from the witness, and get into a cadence. And that's where experience comes in. And when we're watching these attorneys that do great cross-examination, it comes from experience because, number one, you have to have the facts. You need to know them. You need to be on your feet and not reading off something on the particular page. And you need to listen, and you need to be very, very rhythmic in your questioning to control that witness. And that is not what this particular witness was doing. Attorney was doing, and he was struggling with the questioning of Cardi B.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I think he knew what he wanted to get out. He just didn't know how to get it out, and it was just a struggle the entire time.
He was trying to argue, Michael.
Yeah, that's
literally
what he was basically
doing.
He's trying
to argue through
he wanted
the questioning
to testify,
and make
David.
his points.
It sounded like he was testifying. That was the only way he was getting his information in, and he was constantly being objected to. All right, David, I do have to squeeze in a break.
Yeah, well, as a cross-examiner, though, you can, in essence, if you get into that cadence, you could lead and testify. But he wasn't able to do it because he just didn't have the skills.
Yeah, he didn't get it together. All right, David, stand by.